Coca-Cola. Juana la cubana. Hello, La Suerte Dance School, Michal and Anna. Welcome to another video summarizing our beginners Cuban Salsa course for couples. This video will be very quick. We are just going to dance one song in which we'll show you how to compose the song, how to use all moves we taught you during this course, and how to make a dance out of it. Let's do it. Okie dokie. So I'll keep shouting the names of the moves as we dance them. The first section, introduction. In real life, you could just introduce yourself to your partner. Now the rhythm starts appearing. So I start with al medio. And then basic, al centro. The first part of the song normally is a bit slower, you don't have to rush. And la chica. El chico. Los dos. And then we'll open. We are not sticking to directions. We just try to be in our rectangle. A part of that, the directions are very free. Setenta. Coca-Cola. Kentucky. Guapea. La chica. Enchufla doble, alarde. Exhíbela. Otra, one more. And paseala. And dedo.
De la pregunta hay una respuesta. De la respuesta hay una pregunta. Pues en la vida
sombrero complicado doble.
Que somos mezclas de carne y sueño. Deseo, alma, grito y silencio.
One.
Contradictorios.
And we'll do short parts when I release Anna.
Porque en su corazón existe el dolor. Pues quien no sufre no conoce el amor todavía. Pues quien juega a ser Dios y en el personal que juega a ser al diablo al mismo día.
One.
De tierra y de mar.
Sombrero, just say sombrero. And close position for a bit even during the dance. Vacílala por la mano. Adiós, toma hermana. Coca-Cola. Juana la cubana. Hop.
¿Y quién no ha conocido el dolor?
6, 7, and
Tampoco
1.
conoce el amor.
6,
El
7,
amor
la
verdadero.
chica again. Every time when you need more time for thinking, la chica is perfect solution. Or enchufla.
También ha conocido el amor verdadero y te lo digo y sincero. También ha conocido el dolor verdadero. Una mezcla de pasión y dolor. Una mezcla
Tiramisú.
de todo lo que soy yo. También ha conocido el dolor verdadero. Soy viento y silencio, soy agua, soy fuego. También soy nada y exceso.
One more time, 70. I think we went through about everything right now.
Amor que fue el primero.
Exhíbela. Vacílala. Los dos. El uno. Semi complicado. Complicado doble.
Voy repartiendo amor. Voy entregando caricia, melodía, media voz. Mi canto es una
I'll close position, so enchufla al centro. We'll move around a bit. Not too much because we have to stick to our cameras. Dile que no, after a moment. Senta aquí. And exhíbela. Paseala. Vacílala. Ting, ting, tum. Tiramisu one more time. Ting. 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 Santiago. And I didn't finish Santiago on time. Good job. I reminded myself about Santiago in the last minute. But apart of that, I think I used all beginners moves in this song. The song was quite long, so if you dance fluently, you would have to repeat a few of them a couple of times, but you can always put them in different order. You can release your partner a bit more. Everything depends on you, and the coolest thing about salsa is that it's improvised. It's built out of blocks, but it's your own interpretation, it's your own idea in your head. When I first saw salsa in my life, I was thinking this is impossible, because I did a bit of ballroom before, and I was thinking like, how is this possible that people didn't agree for the order of everything before? This is absolutely undoable. And then after you learn that you can actually lead and follow, learn all these small signals and moves together in couple, and then it works very, very well. Obviously, we don't stop in here, we continue learning, so if you want to see more videos on our channel, like, subscribe and press the bell, like, subscribe and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You can become a patron of our channel. We appreciate all help we are getting from you. It is very, very important during these times. We'll come back with more videos. Thanks for watching this one. See you later. Bye-bye.